Today we are living in the fictional world of Minecraft, and none of my actions... Wait, that's not stone. None of my actions should be replicated in the real world. This might be good though. Well, I don't know what's in there. Oh god, I'm cutting trees, you're right. Oh no. Do we have to kill the chicken? First the trees and now the chicken? Oh. Don't look. Don't look. Ah, don't look. There it is. Oh. Don't look. Ah, there's a baby too. That's so sad. This is the worst part of Minecraft. I keep missing Kiara's messages. I wish I could see them. What'd she say? Did she say something about the chicken? Okay, just some wood. Slap the tree. Oh, should we kill this salmon for foods? It's ruthless. There is no salvation for salmons in Minecraft. See the true cruelty of nature. Goodbye. Need some food. Don't mind that I said that right as I was looking at rabbits. Don't worry. I did my disclaimer, so all is okay, right? Ooh, baby.
I've been now at the staple bill. Push a pull and then I might do. I've been the hardest holding too. I left in the body.